Welcome to WordGlow. Today's story is about a poor boy whose honesty changed his life. Stay with us till the end. This story has a beautiful lesson. Once upon a time, in a quiet little town, there lived a boy named Sam. He was just 12 years old and lived with his mother in a small old house at the edge of the village. Sam's family was poor. His mother worked as a cleaner in people's homes, and Sam would help her after school. They didn't have much. No fancy clothes, no toys, and sometimes not even enough food. But Sam had one thing that made him special. He was honest, deeply honest. One afternoon, while walking home from school, Sam noticed something shiny on the ground. It was a wallet. He looked around. No one was there. He slowly picked it up and opened it. Inside the wallet there was a lot of money, more than he had ever seen in his life. There were also some cards and an ID with a man's name and address. Sam's hands shook. With this money, he could buy food, shoes, maybe even help his mother stop working so hard. But then he remembered his mother's words. Never take what is not yours. Even if no one is watching, always do the right thing. So, without wasting time, Sam started walking towards the address on the ID card. It was on the other side of town, and it was getting dark. His feet were tired, but his heart felt light. Finally, he reached a big house and knocked on the door. An old man opened it and looked surprised. "Yes?" the man asked. Sam held out the wallet and said, "Sir, I found this on the road. It belongs to you, I think." The man's eyes widened in shock. He checked the wallet and smiled. "Thank you. Boy, you don't know how important this is. I thought it was lost forever." He took out some money to give Sam as a reward, but Sam stepped back politely and said, "No, thank you, sir. I only returned what was yours." The old man was touched. He asked Sam about his family and learned about their difficult life. A few days later, the man came to visit Sam's house. He brought food, clothes, and offered Sam a scholarship for school. He also helped Sam's mother find a better job. Sam's honesty had changed his life, not because he asked for anything, but because he stayed true to what was right. Even when no one sees you, honesty shines, and one day it brings light back to your life.